मिठे के मीठे और प्यारे सूट, चौने मोने सूट। और ये आज हम लोग लेकर आए हैं। साथ में ये टी शर्ट है मार्कोर की, जो कि नेशनल एनिमल ऑफ पाकिस्तान है। तो ये एक विदाउट निकर है और रेस्ट ऑफ द सूट्स आर विद निकर्स। अदर देन दैट we have brought these books which includes Alif Be Pe, counting, and ABC. These three books are for academic purpose, and this is a coloring book which contains all the body parts, human body, different parts of the body, and liver, kidneys, face, teeth, lips, feet, muscle, finger, elbows. As you can see, the child can color so many pictures. So this is the teeth, which include the crown, roots, ear, tongue. Other than that, मैं जान और मेरी प्यारी मामा, ठीक है? You can't color his eyes because his eyes are already colored, which is blue. And then the mama, papa, John, aunt, uncle, again John, and the other John, dados, and brother. So these are the two books and this kapra, and the Mite is living. Wow.